Passage A. Now the wind of failures and frustrations is blowing strongly. The more the demand increases, the more is the supply and production, but yet more failures and frustrations we see before our eyes. It is due unquestionably to want equal distribution of knowledge and efficiency, lack of devoted work, and absence of standard and satisfaction. And in this small chapter, let us explore and identify the factors governing the failures and frustrations in the field of stenography. If one goes deep into the technical aspects of the problem by interviewing candidates who are victims of the same, analyzing the results of the previous examinations, watching the present method of teaching, coaching, and learning shorthand, he will be able to understand that there are three important governing factors which are responsible for the increase of these failures, and we can call them as fundamentals. There are role of qualities, regular and systematic study, analysis and assessment. It has been said in details that there are certain qualities which are indispensable factors in the profession, and it is not the intention to repeat them again, but from the increasing failures and frustrations, it can be seen that the application of such qualities are very less. Qualities alone will not help. Also necessary is hard and dedicated work through a systematic and regular study. I think the point out that in many places the study of shorthand is unsystematic and irregular. Passage B. The extraordinary general meeting at which the formal resolutions for these authorities will be submitted will be held as soon as we have disposed of the business of this meeting, and I hope that all of you will find it convenient to remain for the short time that will be necessary. Para. I have finished my review of the year's activities and of our immediate proposals, but it is usual for the chairman before concluding to say one or two words about the future prospects, unless I have conveyed to you the idea that this company is vigorous and progressive. I have failed in my object. Great and widespread as our interests are, they are all related one to other. Though expansion has been rapid, it is in no sense haphazard, and your company is a coherent whole which should continue steadily to grow, expand on logical lines. Para. We, we have, of course, experienced a period of several years of difficult trading conditions, but this year the difficulties have the appearance of becoming less in many directions, and in the autumn we can rely on great assistance from the very wise measure of de-rating passed by the government, which has just gone out of office. This will not only real stimulus, it will give to the trade in all the directions throughout the country too.